August 18. 2 years ago, I had this replaced, and it discharges twice. And when they do that, it will now behave in a way that it would discharge rapidly. So knowing that it's behaving a certain way, when I had the four-way flasher, this only lasted like, I don't know, 15 minutes. And then after that, I couldn't start the car. So I know that sadly I have to replace the battery. So this is a 2-year-old battery. And of course, it says tropical ice. It's really hot here in the Philippines. So 2 years. So I asked, what would be a better battery to use? So this one, Amaran. According to the sales person, some people are saying to him, customers, that it's lasting 4 years. Well, that's good, 4 years. And quite frankly, this thing lasted 2 years, not even 2 years, I think. So, so this is what it looked like. Hopefully, it'll last over 2 years, but we'll see. Um, the I noticed the engine compartment really gets pretty hot. So batteries hates extreme temperature. It doesn't like extreme cold. I know that, and it doesn't like extreme temperature either. So being in this environment, it will always see extreme temperature. So this that is the replacement for this. Okay, so the cost of this battery is 5,500 peso, and I wanted or needed the battery as a backup. Otherwise, trade-in would be 250 peso. So, uh, yeah, that's the way it is with batteries here in the Philippines. I noticed they don't last too long. In Canada, one of my batteries lasted 7 years. Of course, it's hot and cold, so the cold sort of help with maintaining its life, and then of course in the summer it gets that heat. So that's what it is. Around 2 years, I think less, and hopefully this will last close to 4 years. Thanks for watching.